Hello. Welcome to the School Innovation Marathon 2024-25. This video will help you get a clear picture of the course that students need to take in the SIM program and the process to complete it. Once you've logged in and completed the pre-survey, you'll be redirected to the dashboard. You can access the course by clicking on the redirect icon of the student course in the SIM roadmap section or by clicking on the course on the left side of the dashboard. If you wish to take the course in any other language, please follow these steps. On the dashboard, you can click on the English button on the top right and select one language from the available languages. This will change the contents of all the sections to the selected language, even the course section. Once you select the language, click on the course section. Here, you will find several videos, quizzes, and a workbook that students are required to complete. You'll start the course by watching the course videos in each module, and then you'll be taking a quiz. Students must complete the quiz according to the provided instructions and score at least 60% to pass, answering 6 out of 10 questions correctly. You can take the quiz by clicking on Let's Start. Right answers will be displayed in green, and if you answered it wrong, then it will be displayed in orange. After completing the quiz in a module, students can view their results, which will display number of attempts, correct and wrong answers for each attempt, and percentage score. If a student doesn't score 60%, they can retake the quiz by clicking on the retake option. Upon completing each module, a badge will be unlocked. In the first module named Inspiration, after finishing the course videos and quiz, students will be able to download the workbook. Students can download the themes and workbooks by clicking on Download Workbook. Throughout the course, your dashboard will show several metrics: the number of course videos watched, the percentage of course completion, the number of quizzes passed, and the number of badges earned. For example, if you have finished the first module, which has 4 videos, the dashboard will display 4 out of 24, and as you earned 1 badge after module 1, the badges achieved section will display 1 out of 5. Additionally, in the SIM roadmap section, the status of the student course will change to in progress as you have started the course. You can resume the course by clicking on Continue Course. Clicking on Continue will move you to the next module. You could follow the same process to finish all the modules. Once you finish all the modules, you'll reach the Congratulations screen. It means you have finished the course. Click on Continue and then on Idea Submission to be redirected to the Idea Submission page. You can check the dashboard after finishing the course, and the blocks will display all the statistics. 100% course completion, 5 out of 5, quizzes passed, 24 out of 24, course videos watched, 5 out of 5, badges achieved. Also, the student course status in the SIM roadmap will change to completed. Hope this video helped you in understanding the student course section. Thank you.